So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add slide numbers to your Keynote presentation. So once you open up Keynote, as you can tell, so what I'll actually do here is I'm just going to add a bunch of different blank slides. How about 3 different slides just like this? Now, if you wanted to add a slide number, it's very straightforward. Press on the slide, go to the right here to where it says appearance and where it says slide number. Make sure that that is selected and it'll be the number 1 right underneath here. You can go over here, press on slide number to make it number 2. Go over here, press on slide number to make it number 3. Now, if you want to sort of change up how it looks, another way you can do that as well is you can go ahead here to text right here. I can just go ahead and type in the number 1. I will then make this a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see, just like this. So you can go ahead and press 1 right here. Now, if you want to sort of have the same theme, you can go ahead and press on double press right here. Go to duplicate slide. So it's the exact same thing. Then on this slide, you can go ahead and change the number to 2. So as you were to go here, you have number 1 and number 2, and it's the exact same format. So 2 different ways you can do this, whatever you guys want. The simplest way is to make sure that slide number is selected, or the other way is to actually add a text box yourself, then duplicate the slide, and I guess lock this as well. So very straightforward, very simple, but that is how to add slide numbers to a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.